Hello, cake lovers. Welcome back to Cakes Factory, your sweet stop for daily inspiration. Today, we are serving up a delicious collection of banana chocolate cake designs that are rich, rustic, and ready to inspire. Let's dive into these dreamy cake ideas. The first one is classic banana loaf with chocolate ganache. Moist banana loaf covered in glossy dark chocolate glaze and sparkled with walnut. The next is banana layer cake with chocolate buttercream. Three-layer beauty with chocolate frosting between each layer and swirl on top. The next is drizzled banana abundant cake. Abundant style cake with milk chocolate drizzle and banana slices, trunked into the curves. The next is rustic banana cake with cocoa powder dusting. Simple round cake topped with powdered sugar and a little cocoa dusting. Minimal and elegant. The next is chocolate banana cupcakes. Mini cupcakes with banana sponge and piped chocolate ganj swirl. Perfect for parties. The next is chocolate banana bento cake. Cute lunchbox sized cake with piped sweet banana, lettering and chocolate drizzle. The next is marble banana chocolate cake. Banana and chocolate batter swirled together for a beautiful marble loaf cake. The next is chocolate banana sheet cake. Flat sheet cake with piped rosaties and real banana slices. Easy to serve and easy to love. The next is chocolate chip banana cake, loaded with chocolate chips inside and topped with mini chips and banana curls. The next is chocolate drip banana celebration cake, tall rounded cake with banana cream frosting, dripping chocolate ganch and gold sprinkles. The next is frozen banana cake with chocolate shell, chilled banana cake covered in the hard set chocolate and topped with nuts, like an ice cream bar. The next is heart shaped banana cake, romantic shape with piped chocolate edges and sliced banana heart on top. The next is nutty banana cake with chocolate shavings, almost almonds and banana coins layered on a buttercream top loaf. The next is chocolate banana cheesy cake fusion, half cheesecake and half banana cake with a chocolate crust and banana topping. The next is mini banana cake stacked with chocolate cream. Small stacked cutlets held together with thick chocolate cream and a banana chip topper. The next is chocolate banana tart style cake. Tart based filled with banana cream and topped with chocolate shards and gold flakes. The next is banana cake rolled with chocolate filling, swill roll with banana sponge and chocolate whipped cream swirl inside. The next is vegan banana chocolate cake. No eggs, no dairy, just banana goodness and dark cocoa magic. topped with pistachio. The next is chocolate banana truffle cake, layered in a glass with sponge, cream, banana slices, and chocolate fudge. The next is tall tied banana chocolate wedding cake, three tied banana cake with chocolate frosting and banana flowers. Yes, it's wedding worthy. These all are cake ideas. Let's wrap a today's slideshow of banana chocolate cake inspiration. Which one would you love to try at home or your coming event? Tell us in the comment, like this video, share with your baking bestie, subscribe for daily cake designs, and follow Cakes Factory for more sweet creation only on Cakes Factory. Until next time, stay creative and stay tuned, sweet and happy. Thank you for watching. See you in the next sweet video. Goodbye.